Thinking of retiring here in Georgia with a view like this? Wow! I can't wait to introduce you to this amazing new 55 plus active community in Hoschton, Georgia. It's about 45 minutes away from Atlanta. Come check it out. This is Cresswind at Twin Lakes, the fastest selling 55 plus community in the state of Georgia for the 5th year in a row. They have 15 model homes ranging from $420,000 to $1.5 million. Here are a couple of the model examples. Let me take you into the Spruce model. Come in and check it out. You are going to love to sit by and wave to your neighbors on your covered porch, or you can welcome them in and entertain in your cozy dining room on your left or the sitting room on the right. Look at all these great features, light fixtures that you can add when you get into the kitchen. Wow, look at all the counter space. We have a 5-burner stove, an apron, sink, plenty of counter space to eat at, or your dining room, which opens up into the expansive living space. The guests will enjoy your powder room, which is across from the owner's suite, where you can really relax and seek your sanctuary. The bathroom is gorgeous, and then you have this huge closet to enjoy. Come check out the Rosewood. You're gonna love this layout if you're looking for some privacy for your guests. They can have the front part of the house, a nice sized bedroom and bathroom. The rest of the house is pretty open concept with a dining room that spills to the living room. If you need a little extra space, we have an office or sitting area. Such a great flow for entertaining. Come check out this kitchen. Oh my gosh, I love this upgraded granite. When you want to have a quiet coffee in the morning, you can go sit at your breakfast nook, but this is where I would be. Look at this covered lanai. You can have it screened in if you like. When you need to retreat, go to your owner's suite and a gorgeous luxury bathroom with ample space and a closet. Come check out the pair. This is similar to the other layouts, just on a little bit smaller scale with guest rooms in the front. Then we have that office or den room and an open concept kitchen, dining room, living room, and an owner's suite that you'll love to retreat to, with a luxurious bathroom and closet attached. Welcome to the Cyprus. Come on in. You're gonna love this layout if you want to have breakfast and watch your neighbors walking by. You have a luxurious kitchen in the middle of the house, but don't worry, you have your open concept dining room, living room, family room combination, and a great porch area in the back. You can escape to your master bedroom and enjoy your luxurious bathroom. You can have your guest space back here and an optional 3rd bedroom or office. Of course, we have laundry rooms on all the main levels, but this is amazing. You have grandkids coming to visit? Check out this optional bonus room. Welcome to the Hickory model. Come check it out. You're gonna love this layout if you're looking for 2 bedrooms in the front of your house. Nice and spacious. They're separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom. We have a great room with a open concept kitchen with casual dining, a little sitting nook, and a formal dining room. But don't worry, when you need to escape to your owner's suite, you can, and enjoy your luxurious bathroom, 2 vanities and a makeup area, and a nice sized closet to boot. Don't forget to scan here for more options available. $299 monthly HOA includes cable TV, security, lawn care, indoor and outdoor pools, a pickleball court, plus a 30,000 square foot clubhouse with full-time lifestyle director that coordinates 78 clubs and classes that range from painting, pottery, cooking, yoga, Scotch clubs, and other members' meetups. Cutler Homes will be here until 2030, building out the remaining 440 homes until the community is complete with 1,300 units. This is a great opportunity now to get a move-in ready home or build your dream home. Let me know if I can answer any questions. Thank you. Be in touch.